Hey guys, Will Ganell here from Ganell Homes. Want to say special congratulations to my clients for being featured in Home in Canada. When we first arrived at their penthouse, it was in desperate need of renovations. Just like any relationship in life, it takes trust and commitment to make any relationship everlasting. The same is true in construction. When we received the keys to their penthouse, they were currently away on vacation. Lots of trust being bestowed upon us. And we vowed to deliver. Working in a condominium can be very different than working in a home. Knowing the rules and regulations around condo boards are very beneficial and crucial to completing any project. Circumventing their fine line and regulations became very crucial in this project. Meeting with the clients and helping them see the possibilities of the things that they wanted to accomplish became vital. They say that it takes two to tango, and there's no better dance than when a contractor and a client are in sync in their dance, when the ideas are just flowing back and forth on what their dream looks like. In this case, we were able to incorporate what I like to call invisible walls, in other words, bulkheads. By putting up a bulkhead over the kitchen island, it allowed for better lighting in what otherwise would have had to be a hanging pendant or track lighting because it's a condo. Once we were done on the inside, taking care of all the small details so that the bigger picture can come together, it was time to focus on the outside. A fire feature was in need. We made this happen with the approval of the condo board and the right team in place in order to enjoy the beautiful scenery of the CN Tower and its surroundings. The entire renovation took place remotely for the clients, a true testament as to their trust and what is more relaxing than to come home from a vacation to a finished renovation, and that's exactly what happened.